Hi, so here I have an Anker Eufy Robovac 15C, but I believe it's the same for all other Robovacs in the series. And what I noticed that it's actually really quiet, but the speaker that beeps is very loud. And there's no option to turn off the speaker, however it can be removed. And it's quite easy. So what you do is you take out the filter, you take this out, and you basically take out the battery and these two wheels and take out the side brushes. And there's only two types of screws. There's a small Phillips screw and a big Phillips screw. You have to remove basically every single screw you can see here and 3 screws here also. The big ones are in here and the small ones are these here. Disconnect the battery. These wheels each have one spring attached, but it's very easy to attach it again. And then you would think that the speaker is right here behind the speaker guard, but it's not. This is just blank. It's blocked off by a metal piece. The speaker is on the main circuit board here. So once you get to the circuit board, disconnect everything around it. It's on the opposite side, so you have to take out the circuit board. And then just with a soldering iron, just remove the speaker. It has 2 leads and you don't have to replace it with anything. And then when reassembling it, I wouldn't put all the screws in just in case you forget something. The first time I put it together, I forgot the connector that goes to the battery. So just put in one of each screw and try to turn it on and make sure everything works. And then that's it. You don't have to do anything software-wise, and if you did it correctly, everything should still continue to work.